What is up, guys? This is Spencer Saunders, and I'm going to be doing a video today to show you how to understand the difference between hexadecimal and the decimal formats when working with computer science. Now, I'm going to start off with hexadecimal because it takes a little bit longer and it's a little bit more intuitive to understand. So with hexadecimal, you have 16 different digits, beginning with 0 through 9, and then also the letters A through F. Now, 0 and 9 are exactly that. They count as a 0 through 9, and then A through F is considered 10 through 15. So if I put, let's say, a 0 here, but I put an A here, this actually will say that this is 16, because 0 is just a placeholder for them. Now, if I wanted to say, let's put this as a 5, this now becomes a 21 down here. So as you see, it's kind of really weird. So let me start you from the top. So if I made all of these zeros, the result will be 0. There's nothing there. Nothing, we haven't put anything in, there's nothing to show. But as I put in numbers or letters, you can, the total will actually change. But if we add this, each block is worth 15 apiece. So if you want to think of it this way, you can have up to 15 in each one, and then total that out to be, whichever this is, something like 120, I think, right now. So as you get through this, let me just explain real quickly that depending on which one you use, there will be a different number. Now, when you go from one number to the next, it will have a different cost. So if it's a 0 here, and you move on to the next one's automatically plus 1 above 15, or above 30, or above 45. So if I put a 1 here, but this is 0, this will be a 16 here. But if I put an F here, for the very last one, which is worth 15, this will be a 30. You see? Now, decimal's different. Decimal is based off of 2's to the power of something. And it can only be a number between 0 and 255. That's the limit. That's all you get. And depending on where you put your digits, a 1 or a 0, it cannot be anything else. It has to be a 1 or a 0. You will get a different number. So if I just put a single 1 right at the beginning here, and it's from right to left, by the way, in terms of cost. So if I just put a 1 here, you can tell total went to 1, total here is now 1. But if I put a 0, and then I go to the next one, it's only going to be 2. But if I continue again with the 1 here again, now it's 3. And you can see where this is going as I go all the way up the list. It'll continue getting bigger and bigger as we go along. With when I fill it all up with 1s, it'll equal 255. And so that's really it, guys. It's just a really simple binary. Is just zeros and ones, ons and offs, basically, if you want to think it that way. And depending on where you would put your ones and zeros, you will get a result between 0 and 255. Thank you guys for seeing this, and I hope you see the next video. Thank you. Bye.